So we got up this morning and drove from our store at Sanibel Seashell up to our house at the 6-mile mark on Sanibel Captiva Road. Looks like tons of vegetation down, and all the drainage ditches seem to be filled, but up on this area, it didn't look like there was a storm surge up here by Blind Pass. We're going to try to get back down to the store. There are trees all over the place, but I don't see any power lines that fell down along Sanibel Captiva Road. As you can see, the entire bike path is pretty much covered with branches.
Dean, I think you have to wait for the inspection to be over on the causeway to come back on. Yes, Aunt Kathy, we got to our house and everything looks good.
After Hurricane Charlie, this road was littered with power lines down, so it's nice to see that all of those are still up there. Coming up on Tahiti Drive here. It looks like there is water down at the end there. So it looks like the Gulf Drives might have gotten some flooding. Can't really tell yet. We just got up early and wanted to go check on the house.
We have not been to the lighthouse area yet.